Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Biola Party Heaven. Guys, today we are doing something else with a paper palm. If you're new to my channel, can you please remember to subscribe? If you love me, subscribe please. Anyway guys, so we're stuffing a paper palm into a bubble balloon, and you do not have to cut the bubble. Why? Because paper palms are made out of paper, and you could just fold them into their original size and stuff them into bubble and you're good to go. So enjoy. Quick tip that I didn't show in this video, guys. If you're going to be stuffing them into a bubble balloon, tie a fishing line to the end of the stick so that your palm can, like stay upright, or cut the, maybe like cut the stick, make it shorter, so when you stuff it into the bubble it would stay upright. And so also use a smaller size of paper palm than I have used. So first you need to inflate your bubble. Inflate it one time, release the air so that you can get that rounded shape, and then stuffing. You can see my paper palm is folded and it's just gone straight into my bubble, compared to the the dried palm that you would get from eBay. This you can maneuver any way you want it, and then once you stuff it in, you can now spread it out the way you want. You can see I'm even stuffing like 2 into the bubble, and then you just inflate afterwards. Once you've inflated, you tie off the end of the bubble. I'm going to be showing that in a minute. Tie off the end, and then you tie off at where the paper palm is staying upright, at the neck again. So you have a double tie up, or you could just use a heat sealer to like seal the bubble once you stuffed in your paper palm, and you tie off afterwards. I'm going to sign off here, guys. Just enjoy the rest of the video. Drop a comment and tell me if this is something you're going to be trying out. I've just done this as a random video that I wasn't planning to do, but I thought to share this idea on other stuff you could do with your paper palms. Please do remember to drop a comment like I mentioned earlier, and I'll see you same time next week, guys. So bye.